salamat for being here.
Thank you always, Tito Boy. I'm so happy to be here. Hi.
I'm celebrating my birthday, and I cannot be happier to have you with me here on the show.
I know. I'm so happy. This is the first time I'm on this show. So thank you for having me and happy birthday to you, Tito
Salamat.
Boy.
Salamat. Umpisa natin dito, Ma, kasi birthday ko naman, you can ask me anything.
I know. Ako na ba unang
Ikaw
magtatanong
na.
Oh, sige.
Oo.
Okay. Tito Boy, my first question for you is, you are the king of talk. Everybody knows you as the king of talk.
Thank
but
you.
outside, I mean, are you also as talkative? Or are you like quiet? Because I know you like to read. Or do you just like to read and have your alone time? Are you the type na you'll stay in the hotel room at tapos magkukulong ka lang doon ng mga 2 weeks? Are you that kind of person?
Umpisa natin doon sa King of
Okay.
Talk. Because that's the brand that stuck.
Yes.
Okay? I don't know how it happened. Kung sino man ang nag-imbento noon, maraming salamat because it is important that we have a brand.
Yes.
Pero hindi nangangahulugan na King of Talk, daldal ka ng daldal. To answer that question, Ma, I enjoy solitude.
Oh, yeah.
I enjoy days when I am at home not talking. I enjoy quiet.
Yes.
That's the reason why gustong-gusto ko magsimba,
Yeah.
gustong-gusto ko magbasa.
Yes.
Dahil, siguro dahil nagsasawa na rin ako sa boses ko, but I really enjoy silence.
Yeah. Did you always enjoy silence or ngayon na lang na you reach this point in your life?
The answer to that is I don't know. Do you know that I can be quiet in the middle of chaos? I am not as affected as I should be with the noise. Yung
Yes,
sigawan.
yes,
yung,
yes.
Dali doon, dali doon, etc.
You can zone it out.
Yes.
You can zone it out and you can separate it and you
Right.
can focus and you can be just silent.
I can be here.
Yeah.
I know what I'm going to do. I reflect on what had been, and I trust the moment. Like today, we were supposed to do this conversation, and they gave us a structure.
Yes, a structure.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but I have this proclivity, ang tawag nun eh. It's a natural inclination as an interviewer that when you give me 1, 2, 3, 4, I like starting with 3. I like starting with 5. Why? Because I'd like to be able to explore what I don't know.
I understand.
Ang exciting nun, Ma.
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah.
Gustong-gusto ko yung, ano kaya, umpisa natin na imbis na ako ang magtanong, si Ma kaagad ang magtanong, and let's see what happens.
Where it's going to take us.
Yeah.
I like it. But you know, Tito Boy, I cannot imagine anybody else who can be king of talk.
Thank
Diba?
you.
I cannot. Like I was
Thank
thinking a while ago, wala. There is nobody else. And I think that's why it's stuck. Because that is you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Dati, I was resisting that brand
Yeah.
identity. Sabi ko, hindi naman eh. Pero after a while, you don't take it seriously and you look at what's good about it.
Yeah.
And I'm grateful.
Yes, Tito Boy. And we are so grateful that you are the king of talk.
Kaya hindi ko yan dinidibdib. I don't wake up and say,
Hi,
hey,
I'm the
I
king of
am.
talk.
No.
Yeah,
Ang
yeah,
naging
yeah.
ugali ko tuloy is I'd like to be able to share. Kaya I continue to teach. I continue to
Yes.
mentor. I continue to talk to young hosts. I continue to transfer whatever I know.
Yes.
Yun ang naging expression ko na nanggaling doon sa title na yun.
I love it. Kasi kahit ako, naambunan ako nung pag-share mo ng wisdom and knowledge mo sa pagiging King of Talk. So,
But more than the ambon, it was the nurturing because I've always looked at, and you know this,
Exactly.
as the child, the sister that I never had.
I know, thank
So
you.
from the very first
Yes.
day that we were together, it had always been, I don't care what you say, I don't care when you shout, I don't care when you scream, when you cry, when you laugh, but I want you to be okay.
Yes, thank you, Tito
Yun
Boy.
lagi ako.
Always, always.
Always.
I have another one. So you have interviewed everyone already. I mean, like presidents, politicians, biggest stars, international stars. If there was one person who you would want to interview you, yung makakapag-Boy Abunda kay Boy Abunda, who do you think?
Alam mo, that's a tough question. Dahil ang sagot ay wala. Not because I cannot be interviewed, but because I love being interviewed by all. I enjoy being interviewed by students
Okay.
who grapple with words.
Yes.
I like being interviewed by new writers because they ask me when I started.
Yeah.
And I joke about having started 2 days ago. I like being interviewed by seasoned interviewers because I like looking back. I like being interviewed by people who are not familiar with my career because I'm able to tell my story. At alam mo kung bakit, Ma? Hindi ako namimili kung sino ang mag-i-interview sa akin because I am so connected to my beginnings as an interviewer that when I was starting as an interviewer, the biggest stars and the biggest personalities in this country allowed me to do interviews with them even if I was no one.
I love what you
Yeah.
just said, and I know it. I know exactly what you mean. That you are not choosy because during that time when you were no one, they allowed you to interview them.
Yes.
So now that you're on top, yes, of course I will grant you
Yes.
that interview. That's so beautiful. To
And
hear.
this is what I meant by diving into the unknown. I didn't know the questions you were asking me, that you were supposed to ask me, but I like the exploration. Now I'm
Yeah.
thinking that's how I'm going to answer every time I'm going to be asked, because that is the truth.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. So you didn't ask the questions also?
No.
Ako din. I
Ayoko.
don't like knowing I think it's more spontaneous, and I like the unknown.
Tama.
I like being able to conquer whatever.
Sa lahat ng
that's
bagay,
there.
are you
yeah,
telling me?
Diba? Lahat. Oo, kasi hindi naman, ganun naman talaga, mas spontaneous, mas maganda.
And it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of humility. Courage because kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob, pumasok sa mga spaces na hindi mo masyadong alam. Courage and humility because you know you're not always going to be right.
I also feel that there's a lot of trust.
Tama.
There's a lot of trust.
It's a
Kasi
dance.
yes, it's a dance. Yeah.
Tama. Oo.
There's that rapport, and it's just there. You have interviewed so many people, Tito Boy, and you have healed so many. Just by talking to them, you get to help them heal. What about you, Tito Boy? Dun sa mga panahon na ikaw naman yung nasasaktan, sino tumutulong sa iyo to heal?
I don't think I'm healed within the process of the interview. Pero I am so connected to my home. I am so connected to my God.
Okay.
I am so connected to Bong.
Yes.
I am so connected to my
So
family.
it's still family. At the end of
Umuwi
the day,
talaga ako.
umuwi pa rin sa
Oo,
family.
whether it is spiritual or physical, I go home to my spiritual roots.
Your core.
Halimbawa, nasasaktan ako, even if I'm doing an interview, I know that after that interview, I have someone and I have a family that I can
Yes.
run to.
Yes.
That I can have quiet conversations or
Yes.
I can have quiet moments and go through the process of healing.
Yes.
And I have an altar in the house and I pray.
Tito Boy, love is a verb. You have been saying that for years. Love is a verb. Has it changed through the years now that you have loved, you have lost, you have lived? You are living.
No, it has not changed. I still stand by what I used to say, that it is a verb, it is an action word. Dito ang may pagbabago. Hindi na ako ngayon masyadong idealistic. Ngayon naniniwala ako that love fades. Sometimes it dies. Sometimes love gets boring. Sometimes it is not enough to sustain a relationship. Sometimes, love is too much. Doon ang aking paniniwala. Kasi dati, ang paniniwala ko, hindi. Oo, love.
Parang superficial lang yung dating love na...
No, at saka it's everything.
Yeah.
That love...
Love can survive it all.
Yes,
Yes,
you know.
basta as long as you have love, okay.
You don't need anything.
Yeah.
Doon nagbago ang aking pananaw. Pwede kang magsawa. Pwede kang pagsawaan. And I'm not just talking about physical or
Yes.
romantic love. I'm talking about all sorts of love. I'm talking about filial love. I'm talking about parental love. I'm talking about friendly love. Lahat ito nababawasan ng intensity, nababawasan ng passion. So, having acknowledged this and having embraced this, I have become more realistic. I have become more real in my dealings with love. Kaya naniniwala ako that every day, Mariel, and every day, you decide to fall in love.
Oh my gosh, Tito Boy. That is what I said. Love is a decision
It
that you
is.
make every day.
Yes. That's why when you make that decision, you're not coming from always a space of, ay, ang saya-saya namin ni
Yeah,
Robin.
yeah,
Ay,
yeah,
okay
yeah.
kami. Hindi. You make a decision because sometimes it becomes terrible. It
Yeah,
becomes
sometimes,
unbearable.
yeah.
It becomes painful.
Yes.
Ang sakit-sakit. But despite the pain, I choose love today.
Yes, I
Oo.
love it. I love that.
Diba?
Yes, di totoo.
Yun ang nabago talaga sa akin.
Yeah.
Dati hindi eh. Parang nagtutula ako. No, love will bring us to heaven forever. Nakalampas na ako dun sa stage. Was that wrong? No. I wouldn't get to this attitude, to this frame of mind, kung hindi ko pinagdaanan yung paniniwala na ang pagmamahal ay...
It's your journey of love.
It is.
It's the
It
journey
is.
of love.
Minsan yan ang hinihingi ko ng tawad sa Panginoong Diyos. Kasi may mga panahon na ang sipag-sipag ko makipag-usap sa Kanya na hindi ko siya nakakalimutan, halimbawa, pagkatiwalaan. But there were days, there were
Yeah.
years when I somehow forgot. Oh, yumabang din siguro ako, or I became too busy. What a funny excuse it was.
Yeah.
Pero now, I think, I have better relationship with God.
Yes.
Yes,
I agree.
di ba?
I
It
think
comes with
It comes
age.
with age, Tito
Yeah,
Boy.
I know.
There's nothing else to, I don't think na naging mayabang. I don't think it was that. I think it's just that the calling or the time came.
Yeah.
Na ito na yon.
Pero you really have to choose love. You have to choose yourself. You have to choose friendship. You have to choose Robin. I have to choose Bong. I have to choose my family. But it becomes a deliberate choice. Ay, kahit gaano kahirap po ang aking pinagdadaanan, pipiliin ko ang aking mga anak.
Yes, it's an intentional choice.
It is.
Yes.
And life, at a certain point, becomes intentional.
Exactly.
Diba?
Okay. Tito Boy, how do you want to be remembered? Not as king of talk.
No, I don't think I will be remembered as king of talk. I don't think I'll be remembered as a mentor. I don't think I will be remembered as a talk show host. I don't think I will be remembered as a celebrity. And I don't care. Really. And I don't mind. Kung maalala ako ng tao as one who made my nanay proud, I'm okay. I'm really okay. And I will forever be grateful.
Well, I don't think that you will not be remembered as
Yeah.
the king of talk, Tito Boy, because if you weren't king of talk, I would remember you as the guy who celebrated his birthday with Coke and rice
Yes.
when he was young and became one of the most successful people who helped other people become successful. That, to me, is how I will remember you if you weren't the king of talk.
Maraming salamat, Mariel.
Yun, Tito Boy.
That really means a lot to me.
Yun.
Alam niyo po, this is the first time that Mariel and I had this kind of a conversation.
Actually, Tito Boy, feeling ko nga na masyado akong naging relax pala. And then, sabi ko, dapat pala mas marami akong kinain, marami palang utak na kailangan pala dito. Oo,
Pero ako
Tito
naman
Boy,
ang magtatanong.
I had so much. Pero bago yan, Tito Boy, may mga gusto pang magtanong sa'yo.
Ah, talaga?
Yes. We have this. Meron tayong phone-in question for
Okay.
you.
Yes.
This is Ariel Rivera.
Ano ang tanong ni Ariel?
My question is, ano ang natutunan mo tungkol sa love and marriage mula sa mga couples na na-interview mo?
Kung may pag-uusapan tayong learnings mula sa relasyon, marriage, partnership, it's that. Parang masakit pakinggan, no? Pero totoo.
Pero
Magkakasawaan
Tito
kayo.
Boy, I don't think there's anything
Ah,
wrong
talaga?
with it because there's a reality na magkakainisan kasi eh.
Magagalit
It's
kayo sa
not
isa't
always
isa.
sugar and
No,
honey
it's
and
not.
sweet. Diba?
It's
It's
not.
not. Kasi magkakaroon ng mga problema, ng mga pagdadaanan and wanta, and you are two completely different people.
Correct. Correct.
But then, you will choose each other in the end because
Yes.
you choose to love.
Yes. And that's when love becomes bigger than anything.
Exactly.
The reason also why it doesn't make sense sometimes to make pieces of advice kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng ritmo.
Yeah.
Iba-iba tayo ng kwento, iba't-iba tayo ng pinanggagalingan, at iba tayo ng threshold of pain. Ito kaya ni Ma, ito
Yes.
kaya ni Tito Boy.
Yes. Yes.
Pero kung meron man, decide to fall in love with your wife, with your husband every day. Decide. And if you need help, pray.
Yes. I have another one, Tito Boy.
Sino naman ito?
There's another one. Sandali. Gusto pa yatang... Ito!
Tito Boy, alam naman namin na ikaw yung king of talk. Pero sa bahay,
Sino ang king at sino ang queen?
Oo.
Okay.
You know, I used to joke about it, na I am not a king of talk because a king has a queen.
Okay.
You know, so I cannot be the king of talk. No, but I know what it means. I'm joking. Sa bahay kami ni Bong. We are two very simple people. Nag-iihaw lang kami ng steak, nang galing
yes,
sa'yo,
thank
nag-iihaw
you.
ako
Yeah.
ng manok.
Yeah, manok.
Nagsasabaw mo rin ng coke at kape sa kanin ko. We're very simple. But here's the thing. Si Bong starts his day very, very early because he now teaches. He now teaches hospitality. He is working very hard at his doctoral degree in tourism and
Wow!
hospitality.
Oh
Nagtuturo
my
siya, isang guru
gosh!
ngayon.
Wow!
So, nagigising yan alas 4 ng madaling araw. I am still at my desk. Nagtatrabaho pa rin ako, I do my paperwork. Tapos, umaalis siya mga 5:30 dahil agawan ng parking sa school nila. yun ang
Ang
ano.
cute ng problema niya, agawan ng parking.
Yes, but that 1 hour from 4 to 5 halimbawa, kasi ako, I complete 5, I have to wake up at 1 or 1:30. You have to give me 8 to 8.5 hours for sleep. Kailangan.
Of course.
Or
Tito
9
Boy.
if I can afford.
Yes,
Oo.
we've already reached that point in our
Right.
lives now. We deserve that much sleep.
Totoo. Pero yung isang oras at kalahati, na meron kaming dalawa, nag-uusap lang kami.
Yeah.
Oo. I don't know if it comes again with the years that we've spent
Yes.
together, because we've been together for decades. We talk. We talk about funny things, we laugh about the hardest questions we have for each other. Minsan, kalukuhan lang, minsan intense, minsan napakahirap. Oo. Ito yung weekdays. Weekends are a different story. So, we're both kings
Yes.
in our
I
home.
think so too.
We're both alpha.
Yeah, exactly.
Oo.
You're both alpha, but in different
Yes.
in different ways.
We're alphas na nag-mature. We're
Yeah.
alphas na nagbibigayan.
Yeah.
We're alphas na ganito pa yan si Bong. Dali, ako muna.
Oh, yeah.
Kulang na lang sa amin, may timer.
Yeah. Kasi dalawa parehas gusto
Oo,
mag-ano.
yun. But we've
Yeah.
learned to adjust to each other's rhythm.
Yes.
But wala sa aming mas mataas, mas
Yeah,
mababa.
yeah.
Wala.
Tito Boy, was there never a challenge?
Oh, madami.
Di ba?
Madami.
I'm sure kasi, di ba, I mean like, mahirap. Kasi,
Madami.
yeah, I understand.
Here's the thing. Let's talk about fidelity. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng atake. Was I perfect in this relationship? No. I'm not saying I didn't apologize to Bong many times over. Was he faithful all the time? I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
I like it when you said, magkaiba tayo ng atake. Thank you for
Yeah.
explaining. Yeah.
I don't want to know. I don't want to know the story. But in our forever
Yes,
relationship,
yes.
you know, years and years and years of relationship, do I think he was perfect? No. And
Does he think you're perfect?
no.
No.
Pero hindi kami nawala ng daan namin pauwi.
Yeah.
We never lost our way back home.
I think, Tito Boy, because again, you guys chose
Yeah.
each other.
Yes.
At the end of the day,
Yes.
the choice was always that.
Oo. I am talking about this exhaustively for the first time. It was never perfect. Pero kami ni Bong, meron kaming pag-uusap na kahit anong problema ang aming pagdaanan, paghihiwalay is not an option.
That is
From the very beginning, we talked about
malinaw
it.
yun, yeah.
Kahit magsampalan tayo, kahit magbugbugan tayo, I'm against violence. We never hit each other in our life. Kahit ano ang mangyari sa ating dalawa. Magsigawan tayo, lahat. Paghihiwalay, separation,
Was never.
will never be an option. Kaya kami, pag malaki ang problema namin noon ni Bong, sinasabi namin, di naman tayo maghihiwalay eh. Why are we wasting time?
Yeah.
Nailabas mo ng galit mo,
Yeah.
nailabas mo ng galit ko, nailabas mo ng galit ko, magpalamig ka,
Yeah.
halika na. Kasi hindi naman tayo maghihiwalay eh.
Yes.
Pagtsagaan mo ako.
Sino yung nagsasabi niyan, Tito Boy?
Kami.
Because
Either.
that is so that works not just for couples like you
Yeah.
guys, but for everyone.
He says that. I say that. You know, nakakapagod mag-away, patatawarin mo din naman ako.
sometimes kailangan lang ilabas di ba? Kailangan maggalit tayo talaga.
Pero sinasabi namin, huwag na natin patagalin ito. Mag-uusap din naman tayo bukas.
Exactly.
Oo, masakit man. Pero, and there was never a fight that made us separate for a night. Oo, matutulog yan sa sofa. Matutulog ako sa labas ng kwarto, but never outside the house.
Wow.
Never outside
This
the
is
house.
really a revelation.
Yeah, first time.
Happy birthday talaga to. Oo, wow, Tito Boy.
Totoo yun.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the next morning, he's still cold, I'm still cold.
Yeah,
and
kasi
then the next,
hindi pa naman yun
Hindi
agad
pa.
Siyempre, meron pang
Yes.
magkaaway pa tayo from yesterday.
Oo.
Pero dahil nasabi na after, okay na.
The next
It
day,
will happen.
may isang linya na. Huwag na ulitin, ha?
Oh,
Okay
yeah,
na. The next day, nagtatawanan na kayo. The
Yeah.
fifth day,
Oh my gosh, yes.
That's how
I
it
think
is.
that's how it is in every household
Yeah.
who choose each other, Tito Boy. It's
Yeah.
just nice that from the very beginning,
Yeah.
you had that na hindi maghihiwalay.
and that's a powerful line. Alam mo,
Yes.
hindi rin lang naman tayo maghihiwalay. We promise each other that we're not going to separate. So why waste time?
That's such a good promise.
Hindi ka sasagutin? Di walk away, go to your library, and then
Yes.
read. Nasabi mo. Okay?
Yes, at least nasabi mo yung piece mo, alam na niya.
And meron si Bong ugali, hindi ko ugali. Kahit ako ang madaldal, he loves writing notes. You know, he goes to, halimbawa, work, he used to fly for Philippine
Yes.
Airlines, and he was a flight attendant. Before he flies out, he would leave a note and say, sorry. Ganun lang.
Oh, yeah. And
So,
okay na yun. Pag uwi,
decide to choose. I mean,
Yes.
choose each other. Tama.
Okay, Tito Boy, there's one more.
Hi, Tito Boy! I know that I always ask you for advice, hindi lang sa hosting, kundi pati sa life and many other things. So, I was curious, dahil kami yung laging nagtatanong sa inyo ng advice, is there anything that you would like to ask us, younger generation of hosts, at ano yun?
Okay, Bianca, yung tanong mo, parang ako yung magsasagot pag tinanong niya. Okay.
Dahil sa social media. Kasi ngayon, pag sinabi mo, what is beauty? You go to IG.
Yeah.
What is wealth? You go to social media.
Yeah.
What is happiness? Ang benchmarks lahat, no?
Nandun.
Lalo na for the younger generation. To the younger hosts, ang gusto kong itanong is how much validation do you really need for you to believe in yourself?
That's a really good question
Yeah.
that I do not have to answer pala because I realized like you, Tito Boy, naabutan ko pa yung time na wala yan. Alam mo
Correct.
yon, so we didn't have that. In fact, I was thinking a while ago, on my way here, of the little things that I learned from you. And one of that is, you said, Tito Boy never goes to parties. Even if you invite him, bibigyan ka lang niya ng magandang regalo. Pero hindi yan pupunta. Or he will stay for a while. But his words were, stars don't linger. You don't stay, Mariel. You make your round, say hello to everyone, and leave. Hindi ka dapat nakikita na nandyan wherever. They watch you in your shows, they watch you in your movies. You're not just seen wherever. And then I thought about it, paano na ngayon, Tito Boy?
Correct.
It's all there. You have to
Yes.
be out there, di ba?
And the way to do it is study the platforms. But I still stand by it. Don't linger too much even on social media. Keep that mystery. Be interesting.
Yes.
Be interesting.
interesting.
Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi pwede eh.
Totoo.
Because we are in the business of make-believe.
Yes, and Tito Boy, it's
Diba?
like you want to keep them hungry for
Yeah,
you.
right.
They want to learn more about you. They want to get that from you.
Tama.
Don't just give it all.
We are in the business of seduction.
Yes.
You don't give it all.
Yan ang you don't give it all.
Yes.
Diba? Yan ang mga tinuturo. Be alluring, Mariel. Captivate them. Ganyan si Tito Boy magturo. Ganyan. Oo.
Oo. Pero, in an interview, you were quoted to have said that you are in the best time of your life.
I am, Tito Boy.
Tuwa ako dun.
Thank you.
Bakit?
I think, Tito Boy, naman lahat ng chapter ng life ko, I lived it to the fullest. When I was studying, I had all my fun. Hindi naman ako yung parang puro school lang. When I was in college, I also had my fun. When I was working, I had my fun, Tito
Right.
Boy. And I did my job, you know. And so now that I'm in this next chapter, I'm also at my best, you know. I think that I honestly believe that I'm a good wife. I think I'm an amazing mother.
Yes.
If there's something that I can be proud of, I know it's that. Diba? I devote everything for my family, and I think at this point, that is what matters.
Tama, oo. You know, kanina sabi mo nga, I think I am an amazing mother. You are.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Di ba? Naalala ko kasi, in 2016, I defended my doctoral dissertation. I'm a doctor in
Yes.
social development. Proud ako doon kasi regalo ko yun sa nanay,
Yes.
yung sa academic life ko. Naalala ko ang aking dissertation ay maternal love, parang as a tool for transformative leadership. Na gamit-gamit ang pagmamahal ng isang ina, pwede kang makapag-develop ng mga leaders. Para sa akin, that's how powerful ang pagmamahal
Yeah.
ng isang ina. So,
Yes.
I had a study kung paano pinalaki ang some of the greatest leaders in the world ng kanilang mga ina.
Yes.
Do you somehow, when you look at your children, in your aloneness, welcome aloneness ang tawag nun, good times, anong iniisip mo para sa mga bata?
Honestly, I don't know if the word is correct, but I don't want them to have a hard time.
Oo.
I don't want them to have a traumatic experience. But I know it's wrong because they're supposed to have some sort of
No.
You know,
Yeah.
but I feel that they're supposed to have some sort of parang hardship so that they can strive.
Appreciate life.
Yeah, appreciate
Oo.
life and strive and be better. But at the same time, I don't want them to have a hard time.
Alam mo ma, that makes sense. You know why? Ang mga nanay, sa pag-aaral ko sa dissertation na yon, kasabihan nga natin sa Pinoy, isusubo na lang ng nanay ibibigay sa iyo.
Sobra.
May mga nanay, do you know that ang prayer in my research would be, halimbawa may sakit ang anak, Lord, akin na lang.
Yeah, of course.
Diba? That's
Of
what you mean when you say, ayoko magka-trauma sila,
Yeah.
ayoko magkasakit sila.
Ayokong may tao na sasakit sa kanila
Yun.
na hindi, alam mo yun, I don't want them to have that. I want them to like be happy and like not have yung mga ganon. Yun ang mga ano ko. I want to say, Tito Boy, that while you were saying about your PhD and all that stuff, parang kahit na wala pa yung question, wala pa yung ano, nararamdaman ko, sabi ko, shucks, naiiyak na naman ako. Tapos then I realized that is a gift that you have, Tito Boy. That everyone you interview, you get to touch the life, you get to touch somewhere in there, kahit na indirectly, hindi mo pinaplano, hindi mo inaano, pero nakakaganon sa heart. As in, na-zone out nga ako because while you were talking, yun yung nagtatakbo sa mind ko, ang galing ni Tito Boy. Oh. Iba pa rin, iba yung ano, pero nakuha niya pa rin akong maganon.
Oo,
I just
that-
wanted to say that
that-
I think that is a gift.
Yeah, thank you. Because we were talking about motherhood, and that was my relationship with Nanay. I was doing good in my career. I was supporting my mother because then she had retired from teaching and from small town politics. Pero hindi pa ako nag-uuwi ng diploma during that time. I was doing the buzz.
Yes,
Ma,
yes, yes.
I went to college. I went for my master's. I went for my doctoral degree.
While doing the buzz.
Gumagapang ako. Hindi ito online.
Yeah,
kasi
yeah,
hindi
yeah.
pa uso nun.
Yes.
Pumapasok ako because I wanted to be able to bring home the diplomas that Nanay wanted.
That Danay deserved.
Yes. You know, I'm proud to say this. When I graduated with a doctoral degree in social development sa Philippine Women's University, sabi ko, Nay, kasi Nanay was already
In the early stages of...
early stages.
time.
And then she was not as mobile
Yes,
as she was.
yes.
I would have brought her to PICC.
yeah.
Naalala ko lamang yun na dahil sa nanay, ang daming nangyari sa aking buhay.
Yes.
Oo, di ba?
I have one last question,
Yes.
Tito Boy. Because Nanay is not with us anymore.
Yeah.
And it has always been your advocacy to make Nanay proud. Do you think you can honestly say that you were able to make Nanay proud?
Yes. Yes and yes.
Yes.
Oo. I did. Even to this very day, because the grief is not over.
Yeah.
It's just as intense as December 1 of 2019 when I lost her, when she passed on in my arms.
Oh.
Yung pa rin yun. You get used to the pain, but it doesn't
Yeah,
go.
but it doesn't go away.
You just get used to the pain. Pero sabi ko nga, as part of my prayer, huwag niyo tanggalin na lang yung pain, Lord, because it is my only connection to nanay. And if that takes that pain, that every time I remember her, I embrace her, then so be it. Let me live with that
the
pain. That pain is my expression of love for nanay.
That's so beautiful, Tito Boy. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat. Binoy, at saka na lang namin pag-uusapan sa mga susunod. Oo.
Oh my gosh, si Tito Boy pala may tanong pa. Kasi parang ang ganda mag-end doon, Tito Boy.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi sinabi mo na, yung
Tama.
producer side of my brain. Yun
Tama
ang-
ka naman doon.
Yun ang
Ito nga
kasi ang ganda niya
actually this is editable.
Oo, editable na lang pang YouTube.
Isa lang ito tungkol kay Binoy
Yes, Tito
because you and I went through tough times
Oh,
because of
yes.
Robin Padilla.
Oh, okay.
It was not easy. But tayo, Mariel, kasi hindi tayo nag-uusap. Do you know at one point, halimbawa, that people were against the relationship, people had so much to say about the relationship, so you stood by him.
Yes.
Okay? Today, as you live your life with Robin, what has he become? Bilang asawa, bilang tao, bilang boyfriend, what has he become?
I think if we were to make before now, like, I would still stand by him. He's still that person to me. The one that I can leave everything for. He's still that one. You know, when I told him that I was gonna do this interview with you, he said, kasi hindi naman ako nagsha-showbiz, Tito Boy, di ba? Sabi ko, may interview, birthday ni Tito Boy, ganun. Sabi niya, ang sagot dyan, ganito lang. It's an honor. Yun na nag-i-interview sa mga tao, tapos ikaw mag-i-interview sa kanya? Ang sagot dyan, it's an honor. Robin is always like that to me. He is the one who leads me to say the right things, to do the right things. Do you understand what I'm saying,
Yes.
Tito Boy? Always. Like, and he's the one to me na parang I value his opinion so much that I ask him, ano sa tingin mo? Yung always siya yung ganun ko. I have found that.
Okay.
That person that yung when I have, and not for anything, for everything, should I do this, should I do that, I have that person na I know who will help me make that decision that is good for me.
Okay.
Did I say that
Yes,
properly?
I totally get you. Last question. Sabi niya sa'yo, nung kayo'y nag-uumpisa pa lamang, huwag mo lang pakikialaman ang Mindanao.
Yeah.
Mahalin mo lang ang aking mga anak. Okay? At ang sagot mo sa kanya, and he promised you,
Yes.
but you will be the only woman in my life,
Yes.
even as a Muslim, who is allowed to marry
4 wives.
4 wives, basta afford nila.
Yes.
Yun ang aking
Yes,
pagkakaunawa.
correct, Tito Boy. Basta afford nila.
Basta ang usapan ninyo, I will be the only woman in your life.
Yes.
Question, has he kept that promise?
I believe so, Tito Boy.
Okay. Thank you, my
Yeah. Thank you so much,
Love
Tito
you.
Boy. Love you, Tito Boy.
Maraming
Pero
salamat.
thank you so much, Tito Boy. Alam mo, hindi ako kinakabahan. Pero nung umupo na ako and then you started talking, sabi ko, parang kulang yata yung preparation na ginawa ko. I said,
You were very good.
Thank you, Tito Boy, for this.
salamat
Thank you for choosing
spending.
me.
Thank you for choosing
Thank you
me.
for choosing me. Because I know it was your choice to choose me to be here
Thank
and
you.
to interview you. It could have been any one of us. Thank you so
You
much
know
for
who
having
you are
me.
to
I
me.
know. Thank you,
Maraming
Tito Boy.
maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Hi, people of the Philippines and people of the world. Hit the button below and you will be subscribing to the Boy Abunda Talk channel on YouTube. Let's keep talking. Kaibigan, tuloy ang usap.